The inspiration to make a video of freedom from ego almost strikes you in the dream. But you can't write right now. You gotta do a whole procedure. Watering the plants. I find something really therapeutic about watering plants. It's something really spiritual. Time comes, set up. Open the windows. Sit down to write. Embracing impermanence. This shouldn't take long. When you're working for an agency, days turn into nights, work never stops, and you're always on the edge because there's always something that you're missing out on, something that you haven't completed. It must be 3 a.m. right now. Just came down to lie down on the grass and feel a little more relaxed. Sound like totally fucked, man. Shit. While writing, I realized that I had to embrace impermanence in order to make a video about impermanence. Finally, I got down to shoot after days and days of delays and work that never got finished. My mother always told me that whenever you enjoy a moment, enjoy it to the fullest, because that time, that beautiful time that you're enjoying, that beautiful time in your life that you're enjoying, might never ever come back. See, everything was going pretty normally when I was a child, and even when I was a teenager, when not much was happening in my life. But as I started growing older and as I went towards college and really started to experience a lot more, things became a lot more miserable. When I look at the painful times in my life, it's always the highlights that become the most source of pain. Specifically, moments in college when I went out with my friend to an adventure. We visited a beach far, far away from the city, separated by hundreds of miles of deserted roads. We camped on the beach, did canyon carving, drove to the top of the mountain. It was a wonderful view. We felt like this view was not seen by anybody, ever. Moments like these become the source of pain when you have the mindset which I had. As life was happening around me in all its glory and all its beauty, I knew I had to take some drastic steps to teach myself a lesson of impermanence, to embrace the unknown. So one night I decided that I'm going to a city 350 kilometers away, separated by desert, to a city that nobody visited in my family. So in the morning I set off on this desert road with me and my bike. No food, no water, no idea where to go. And as I was driving along, I felt alive for the first time. I had no future, I had no past. And at the end of the desert road, I ended up in this beautiful town, these beautiful people, beautiful temples. This experience I would not have been able to have if I did not embrace impermanence and embracing the unknown. And I left with a really beautiful perspective, which I still adhere to this day. That experience was described by Robert Pirsig as quality. But the lesson that I took home was that treating each moment as if it's never gonna come back sets up your life to not feel quality ever, and not feel alive ever. That also meant that the teachings my mother gave me were completely false. And that is the hardest pill to swallow.